All right. Hi, Chris Nelson. Question. Do our offer letters include some type of verbiage that we reserve the right to perform due diligence prior to closing that allows us to change our offer number, or how does that work? Excellent question. The answer is yes. So if you want to see our template offer letter, it's right now it's available. You can go to offers and the number 2 owners.com, go to our mail, direct mail website, and go to forms, and there's a land seller template, and you can look at it right there. So on page 1, it's 2 pages what we send out. Page 1 is kind of an introductory letter about here's who we are, this is my company, and this is why we do this. And then page 2 is a purchase agreement. I want to buy your property. And then at the bottom, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different things. This is all contingent on, this passing, all these different tests. There's an expiration date on there, and that's not a hard date, but that's just to try to invoke some sense of urgency for them. Like, okay, do we want to do this or not? This guy's giving me this offer for 90 days kind of thing. So yes, you can totally get out of that. So it's no problem. Hello, Martha Rivera. Martha said, what is your experience in working with realtors? Is it a good idea to target 365 plus days on market properties? So often, I don't think those are real. Every time I see a property that's 365 days or like, days on market 500, I question, because at 500 days, wouldn't you have changed the price or done something just to get rid of the property? So I'm not interested in it for that reason. Or two, I don't think it's real, and it might just be a listing that an agent leaves up so they get people calling in about it. Oh yeah, that one's sold, but I have this one or something like that. So working with realtors, I do not work on them on the buy side. If I have a property and there's a realtor involved, my opinion is, shucks, somebody got there first. I wish them well. I will only deal with sellers directly. If a seller tells me that it's listed with an agent, I will say that's nice. That's separate between you two. So if they still want to work a deal with me, if they want to accept my offer and everything, that's great. I'm buying from you. So it's up to you to make sure that your agent gets paid and you take care of them, as you should, kind of thing. So that's how I feel with it. Now on the sell side, I do certain properties in certain areas. I have some phenomenal agents, brokers, but they're land guys. They're really like whitetail properties and things like that. That I work with a few there, and it's I've had great experiences there. And a lot of it is because they're very specific, unique properties, like a hunting property. And these brokers will show up, I'm not kidding, on horses, put a seller on a horse and ride the property with them to show them how great it is. They earn their percentages because they really know their stuff. So that's a good thing.